Yo, what's good everyone? So I'm gonna be unboxing the BM-800. It's not really that I'm making this video because like the best day of my life I got a mic. It's just that like I don't know, like when I go look for these reviews, I'm not finding it. So the manufacturer is Nanjing Ganzheng Garadendeng. As you can see, that's the manufacturer. That's not a name, bro. There's no way that is actually a name. Yo, if any people are Chinese, let me know. How is that a name, bro? I'm gonna open this. Bro, god damn. Bro, China is very good with tape. That's all, that's actually something that no one can deny. China is very good with tape. I know that makes no sense, but like, look, the back has always come taped up. Damn. Alright, finally opened it. Let's see. Moment of truth. Alright. Woo, I'm about to stream on this headphones. The pop filter. I'll be showing channel. I think everyone knows what this is. This is to connect to the microphone, and then this is to the sound card. This is the shock mount. I'll wrap it in the boom arm. Hold on. I'm sorry guys, the camera angle. Hold on. Well, this is the mount, the one that you put on your desk. First, get signed. It's actually made of metal. If you ever see one that's here black, made of plastic, then yeah. But I'm about to show you guys if this is the real BM-800 or not. And there's a real way you can see. So if you open this, okay, right here. I don't know. I don't think this is the real one, and I'll show you guys what a real one should look like and what a fake one looks like. All right, let's go. Are you serious, bro? Are you serious, bro? No, bro, this like genuinely made me mad, bro. Are you serious, bro? Look at the picture, guys. Look at the picture I'm about to show you guys on the screen. Look at what is this? This is fake. Oh my days, I just wasted my money, bro. The only difference between this is that, oh my days, bro. You got cord, this. Look at this, bro. What is this? What have I been doing shipping? You got a bunch of cables, like the thing that clamps to your desk. So it's not really something special. It's not really that heavy. Like it's kind of heavy. It looks kind of fancy, not gonna lie. But guys, like I'm telling you from right now, if you're watching this review, it's useless. Do not buy this mic. I'll tell you why. Look, I'll try the sound and let you guys know. But for the price, you can get much better. This sound card is basically useless. You know. If you spend your money and get a 5-fine, I think it's A6T or something, it's much better deal than this, because this they just throw in, for example, the sound card, which is useless, does nothing, to like make it seem like it's like a big package. But let's just set it up. Hold on. Enough waffling, bro. All right, so this is what we got, and let's just set it up. So toss this out of there. Try to go through these fast. All right. First, you have this pop filter. I mean, yeah, I'm pretty sure you know what pop filter is. Toss that. You have these earphones, so you can connect to your soundtrack and listen to yourself. Even though the audio is probably gonna give you aids, but this is disc mount, bro. Like I'm pretty sure, like even my grandpa saw this. Like this has been on Wish and Temu for like 17,000 years, guys. All right, so this is the shock mount. I mean, it looks like it came out of Afghanistan. This is the mic. Like it's heavy for no reason, cause just the body, bro. The inside, you guys saw that chip. The chip looks manufactured in Pakistan. Anyways, this whatever this thing, bro. Like look. Alright, this is a clamp to your desk. Alright, so let's get ready. So you here. Make sure you guys see this. Alright, so you do this, and then you tighten it on the desk. Just pick your spot, and then you tighten it on your desk. Right. It's good in there, it's good. Alright, so then you take your rod and just stick it in there. Wait, hold on. Just loosen it up a little bit. Why is it so stiff? Damn. It reminds me of something in the morning. Anyways, just put this in. Yo, am I doing something wrong? It's not usually this stiff. Yo, like, it's supposed to be put like this, yeah. So I don't know. Okay, all right. That's exactly what you do. And then you screw this in. Guys, I can't see the camera. I'm using some everything. Alright, so then here's the mic. Alright, so oh my days, why is everything so hard? Alright, so then if you want the shock mount, you just connect it like this. Alright. Alright, that's it. And then you just tighten this, and then this is like to stabilize this piece so it doesn't flop around. And then you can put your mic. Hold on. Yeah, you have to remember. So the front here, you're gonna see like the wires in the back. That should be pointing to the back. This should be pointing to you, so you can get the best mic. Don't make this mistake. Actually, a lot of people make this mistake, including me when I got an old one back in the day. Oh. All right. So this is how it looks like when it fits in. Now you can obviously do this, turn it around, whatever. Okay, so this is how we're gonna do this. So manuals, I don't need that. All right, here, and then this mic, you connect this wire to the bottom of the mic. All right, I think it's a little bit okay. This is better. All right, so now if you want to connect the pop filter, you just stick it on. Hold on, you just stick it on like the side, like anywhere on the side, literally. But anyways, we'll let this go. I don't like. Let's be honest. Who needs a pop filter? Just use this. Well, this looks like it has light. I don't know how that's possible. Alright. Let's get enough right away. Alright, so this USB-C actually kind of surprising. I mean, you pay how much on it? Alright. You guys see that? It is lighting up red. Oh my days, it is. Oh, yo, it opened. It's kind of colorful, I'm not gonna lie. It's cool. Like, oh, this is stuff I might like use it to listen, but I care about you guys. You guys I know you guys are probably mad like I'm talking too much. I'm not bad, bro. I'm not good at vlogging. So sorry. Alright, let me just plug this in right now. What's 9.2? So what's din? What is din? What is that? What is din? I don't know what. Alright, so mic in. Mic, alright, so it says mic condenser 1. And this will actually let me know if it's working. Hold on, let's tap it right now. And if this works, that means, and if this moves, that means it's working. Ooh, okay, so it's not. Alright, oh, I have to plug it in. As you guys can see, it is working right now. As I'm speaking, this is moving. Alright, so let's get ready to listen to what it actually sounds like. Alright. I was hearing like half. Alright, so the headphones are broken. I'm not even do anything to it. They're literally broken straight off. What is this? Alright, so this is the raw audio, and as you can see, there's no pop filter right now. So this is the raw audio, as you can see. Let me just show you guys the screen. So I'm recording straight from Windows. I am not using anything, and I can show you that the voice effects actually work. But genuinely, from what I've heard, it's disappointing. Like genuinely, it's disappointing. That's what I'm telling you. It's this all VA BM-800 is all very bad, because first, if you got the real BM-800, it's actually pretty decent. But this is the fake one, as you guys can see. That chip looked like it was manufactured in Pakistan. Anyways, they waste your money by saying sound card and whatever, and like it comes with a stand. You know what I mean? Like they exaggerate everything that it comes with, so that you think it's a good deal, but it's not. Look how I sound. Literally, if I use this mic right here, which is I can make a video about this. It's literally like how much? $6. It sounds better than this from what I've heard so far. I'll rewatch the footage and let you guys know if I change my mind. I'll put the pop filter on just so you guys can see that, it still sucks with both. So this is the pop filter on, and I'm speaking loudly. It just can't handle it. It just looks like you speak through like a cheap, like I don't know, like that sounds like, I don't know, it's like I'm underwater or something. But yeah, so my review, guys, is that it is not worth your money. Yeah, it's not worth your money. You can definitely get way better mics for less than this. This is literally worse than phone mics, bro. It's useless. But I'll rewatch the footage. Thank you guys so much for watching. More videos on the way. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Like if you want, subscribe if you want, and thank you so much.